Hello, hello, hello. Guys, I am tired today. I've been so tired all this week, man. Okay, gappers. Let's see what we have. Yesterday's, delete that. This one might be good. Delete that one. PSK, no. 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 Nerve was a good play yesterday. Any of you guys kept trading Nerve all day? Nerve seemed like a good stock to keep trading all day yesterday. Present him some opportunities to keep trading it. Avaya hit a high post market yesterday. I think I saw some of you guys might have been trading this one too. There's Kieran. Good morning, Kieran. Good morning, Urban Trades. Let me see. Okay, so I only have three stocks in my scanners. SSY, KAVL, and Drug, which is the one from yesterday. And then let me see. You guys were talking about a different one on. Huh. Lang, are you in here now? Are you in here? Are you in here yet? For some reason, it might be on your end, because on my end, they're still there, bro. You scared me for a second, but they're still there. There's no nobility in poverty. Honey hole, let's get it. Mercer, good morning. Atrids, let's make some money. Oh yeah, it's probably a bug. Just thought it would make you laugh. Yeah. Well, I at first when I used to stream, I would somehow accidentally make a new chat every time, and I didn't realize that when you make a new chat, every subscriber that goes to this one, once you make a new chat, like a new little thing, it doesn't. Everybody that subscribed here and rated you here did not go to this one, and then I would make another one. So every single day I was basically restarting it. I had no idea how to set it up. And then finally he told me, he was like, "Hey, are you doing this on purpose where you have like 8 different chats open?" And I was like, "Nope, I just got no idea how to do it." And he quickly told me how to do it, and I fixed it and stuff, and there you go. KAVL, SSY, Drug is the ones that I was seeing. But I think John was talking about a different stock this morning. Oh no, it was KAVL. KPRX, Zach mentioned KPRX this morning. KPRX. What is this one doing? Oh, this one looks, 24 cents. And then Avaya still. All right, let's see. Plug. I haven't looked at Plug. Let me look at Plug. Let me look at Plug. Did you guys keep trading yesterday? Anybody kept trading yesterday? Well, I saw the guys on chat keep trading, but Nerve. Anybody kept making money on Nerve? This thing looks. I mean, looks like it made a run yesterday. Still, I don't know how easy it was to trade. But it looks like it made a pretty nice move still. I mean, I think I got off and this stock was sitting at somewhere in $6 maybe. Because I got off around 10. Yeah, 6.20. Looks like it held VWAP the whole time and then finally started getting attention, ripped $2.50 higher. I made a little bit, but gave some back, ended down $14 yesterday somehow. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. Small red day. And today is the big day. Gotta stop trading the 1 minute flags. You make the money in the fives and you lose it in the ones, or what? Is that what's happening? John is still commenting on Discord. What's up, John? John, you gotta come over here, Johnny boy. Exactly what's happening. Yeah, and yeah, but We'll keep an eye on this one today still. I have some people comment on some threads freaking out about the price of Tesla. Like they don't know that, like they didn't know about the split and they think Tesla just tanked or what. Okay, so drug is still on watch. Oh my god, they're dumb. You two people, there you guys are. Mark, good morning. Optimistic, hello. Fariza, good morning. 5 Pound Fisher, there. And Shrifthar, good morning, guys. Wait. Shwithar. Shwithar. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Shwithar. And then what you got? What you got? I was gonna look at something else real quick. I forgot I was gonna look at. Anyways, good morning, Andres. Good morning. Right. Oh, I got it right. I got it right. Awesome. Okay, so drug is still on watch. Nerve, I want to keep on watch just because it was yesterday's main stock. Keep it on watch. The daily still looks good on this thing. And then SPCB, not really. NAPT also yesterday doing power hour. Anybody trade power hour yesterday? NAPT finally broke this big old downtrend that I had. Finally broke it and made a pretty nice move power hour. Made a pretty good move power hour. SSY is your favorite. I'm just now getting there. SSY strong resistance at 160s for some reason. 161. Oh, we already went way past that. Okay. Next is. Oh, right now it's at 234. 234. Oh crap, we're way up here. 234. What's next? 237. Wow. Okay, whatever. 253. 265, and then up here kind of 280s. Alright, so I got some lines on that one. This one looking good so far. SSY. SSY making a very nice squeeze through 200 moving average yesterday. It looks like it happened yesterday, and then today just continuing that. Continuing that momentum. Want to see 161's hold, but that's too low. I want to see $2 hold first of all, and then see if we can get that 230, 250-ish move on this stock here. Austin Lewis, good morning, man. Good morning. So that one looks good. KAVL, pretty expensive stock that is now very cheap. This thing used to be 20, 40, $43, and it's back down to 2. So looking for almost a dead cat bounce on this thing again. We're currently sitting at 1.9, so $2 is going to be the first thing we're looking for. $156.57 can be good support. So if it starts holding that level, that might be a good thing for this stock to reverse and continue going higher. Good morning, Blair. We got 253 on the top side. So we got 156 for bottom for low to hold. $2 hold number just to get a quick breakout today, and then if we do that, we're looking at 253. So that's SSY, that was KAVL. So got SSY, KAVL, keeping an eye on Nerve, keeping an eye on Drug. And then what is this one? KPRX, 25-cent stock. I don't know if I want to trade this, but it's still there. Momentum's there on this one so far. Made a little bit of a nice move this morning. PULM. PULM doesn't look bad. PULM doesn't look bad. over 601. Okay, so looking at $6 here and then 658 high. And daily has room to 200 moving average, which is 714. That's good, that's good. This one does not look bad either, so I'm going to put this one here. Any stocks I'm missing? We got everybody here. We got Andres, Blair, Ape Trade, Zach, Marsa, Lang, Honeyhole, Urban, Kyrian. The whole squad, the whole team is here. We got a little bit under 4 minutes till market opens. Anything less than a million, I think. Good morning, everybody. MCBT Journey on YouTube. Good morning, man. Good morning. How are you? I think my momentum scanner, I have it set to somewhere like 750 or 850 volume on the day. I played with it. That's when I played with it a while ago. I might even have to change it now, because volume last year was different than this year. But I think I have to 750 or 850, maybe 800. I don't know. You're set to 100K. What about NEPT? This is another one that came up yesterday. NEPT broke a new high but tucked back down on the daily. So not the best looking chart. What are you guys looking at on Tesla? If anybody was wanting to trade Tesla, I think it pulled back after it split. It ran up, and then it's pulling back. I honestly don't know. I don't have any sentiment, any guesses as to Ape Trades exactly. Plus the charts look ugly. Yeah. KPRX also. Yeah, I have that one addressed. Cheaper stock, but I have it. I have it on watch just in case. Or at least I had it. I have it on my watch list. 24 high, looking for a quarter, 25. And then, I mean, if this thing has room, 50 cents, but moving average is up to almost 70. Doing great, Juan. Thanks to you. It was a good trade yesterday. There we go. There we go. So right now, I literally don't have a bias on the market. Like, I think we're still bearish. I think the market still needs more room to pull back. But I don't know how much of a pullback to the top side we're getting before we pull back more. That's what I think. So right now, I don't know if there's still a little bit more of a little bit of a push, profit taking to the top side, and then another dump, or we're just gonna slowly consolidate sideways, go down to 400, touch it, and then keep moving. So we got a little bit less than 50 seconds. Alright, so what am I looking at? SSY pulled back. Pretty a lot. So Jofi Young, there you are. John, there you are. 20 seconds. Let's see. Where is this stock want to pull back to? $2. SSY looking to pull back to $2 maybe. I got SSY, I got Drug, I got KVL, Nerve, NEPT as a maybe, and then PULM by Dr. Andres. Wow, look at Drug instantly today. Why did Drug just do this? Drug is the one that cannot hold the 200 moving average. It did it again yesterday. We spiked over it and then closed below it. So this is 2.6. See, Kieran, this is the ones that you were asking me about, right? If that thing keeps popping up like this, and I don't see anything over 243 right here, 243 no hold, 243 no hold, I would just think this is instantly going to flush. Now, if we go over 243, close, and kind of start consolidating up here, then that next leg will come. But here, if this is not going to be around here at all, and buyers are going to quickly give this one out. Avaya. Avaya looking for 142 high today as well. See, KAVL did it. KAVL did it. When you start spiking like that and you don't get anything to hold VO up or anything, it's just gonna flush and then flush again. Avaya did come up and hit my alert, so Avaya's wanting to look for 142 or 150 high. This is not a gapper, but I just had it on watch. And actually, we still have a gap fill on this thing from 137-ish all the way up to technically 2, but you got another pivot down there at like 180. Drug is holding. I want to see 243 though. I'm looking at 243 left here. SSI broke $2. I do see that. For some reason, I'm liking Avaya more just today, even though it wasn't a gapper, but this thing is instantly trying to get up to 140, 142 new high. The only pivot I see is 135. I don't know why I have 137 marked. I might take a small little dip trade on Avaya and see if this thing wants to continue going to high of day. Drug still trying to poke over 243. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at on Avaya though. 137 all the way up to like $2 or 184 or something. So I want to see almost a nice little flag here, and I want to see that buyers are still buying this. There's drug over 243. Now I'm 243 on a drug. It's interesting. I want to see if I pull back down, a nice little pullback right over high of day, which high of day is 142. So I want to see a nice little flag down to 135-ish. KVL kind of trying to recover. Still looking at Avaya, still looking at Avaya. I'm not, I'm not, I took a winning trade there, but I had a very bad fill, I thought. Okay, drug is looking interesting for Oh, it already broke 250. Okay, so drug is the one that has not held 200 moving average on the daily. So if we start holding this thing might actually make a nice squeeze. Which one were you guys were looking at? KPRX. Oh, KPRX broke that 25 cents. Looking at 29.30. I'm not gonna lie, even if this one starts going, it is not my number one watch. So KPRX, good morning. I am in on KPRX. Good job, KVL. KVL up to 1.9. Could look good. I'm also seeing NEPT making a nice little move, or at least trying to. So NEPT, and then Avaya still looking good for continuation, but this one's kind of slowing down. I feel like at least the first 5-10 minutes of market open is kind of quick scalps, high of day quick scalps. I want to wait and see for the real 5-minute setups, the ones where I've been buying the dips a little bit heavier and playing them out. So 474, so this is 3.5. So still just being patient for now. I want to see if drug finally makes the squeeze that we've been wanting to. This thing has been, drug is moving, I see it. This thing has been on our scanners for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. But every time it popped up, look at the daily, it retraced all the way back down under the 200. SSY, the stock that looks the best, the stock that looks the prettiest, is the one that just doesn't do anything besides fade all day. Next target on drug is $3. 3.5. I'm looking at 3.5. If we break 3.5, 474 was the previous high on drug. So far, it's looking good. Even a $3 break, or at least a $3 touch. Drug trying to squeeze some people out early on. John is in on drug at 250. Okay. Yesterday's high was 260. Do we get a retest of 260? Drug is strong out of the gates already. Momentum scanners picking up drug, picking up NEPT as well. That's the other one I have on watch on my side chart. Broke over 3. Right now holding 325, but yesterday's high is 374. That's the one that squeezed during power hour. So keeping an eye on that one. Drug, maybe a little bit of a healthier pullback on drug, and I might get in somewhere maybe in the 2.6s. 2.6. No, I am not in on drug. Not. I haven't taken a trade on drug yet. I took one trade on Avaya for like $4 profit. This will be the last 5-minute candle on drug here, and it's gonna close pretty good. And now I'm looking for that pullback. 30 seconds left on this candle, 30 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Top left candle, top left of my broker thing. At the top left I have a time, and so I just do the math. So this is a new 5-minute candle. Here we go. See? And this is the one I was looking for it to pull back down first and then rip, not go up, fail, make lower highs, and then pull back down. But now it's a new 5-minute candle, and then it was obviously a new 1-minute candle. The only one I'm looking at is 2.6 on drug. 2.6 was yesterday's high. Hoping to see if we use that yesterday's high as support today. Volume is dying here. This is a good thing. Look at the 1 minute volume. This is dying. So I want to see this even pull back, even with light volume, so I can snatch some shares and then see if we are aiming for the $3 break. I'm looking for drug to pull back just a tiny bit. It's already getting bought up all through here, so 2.6 might be too low for this thing to pull back. Still watching drug. I know $3 is right there, so I'm trying to find a trade through here up to $3. Avaya up to 146. Avaya maybe trying a 150 break. No trades yet, not rushing anything. But Avaya is looking up for 150, and then drug. I'm looking for this pullback on drug still. Still looking at drug, see if it keeps pulling back. Pull back a little bit more, drug. No, come on, drug. Give us a nice little pullback. KPRX has a nice 5 minute pullback. KPRX. It's looking like nerve, honestly. I mean, like drug. Drug, I mean, there's no volume down here on these pullbacks, so I'm gonna try it again. Small share size. I want that big pullback to 2.6, but if I don't get that big pullback, I at least want to get in small share size up here. KPRX looking for high of day. I'm in on drug, but it's not pulling back like I wanted to, and then even if it's not pulling back, I want this thing to instantly start going after this, but it's not either, so 2.6, I'm looking for 2.6 on drug. Look, it just doesn't want to. KPRX, Zaggy, you just called it, and now it's hitting new highs. So keep trying this drug here, trying to snipe the bottom. Got that one again, but we need that volume to come in, rip through, and I want to see $3 on this thing. There we go. So I had to try that one a few times just to now get into a winning trade. And I want to see volume keep accelerating through this thing. This does not look good. Let's see. Avaya is still looking for 150. Drug right now. I'm currently in a winning trade, but I want to see this thing break out of this flag and go up to $3. I want to see volume accelerate through here. There, I can tell there's a lot more sellers now. Every little spike is flashing red, especially right here at this downtrend trend line there. So I might be getting stopped out on this play here. Have a very two questions. Is drug done or is everyone waiting for 260? That's what I was thinking. Shorts are attacking every freaking candle, so lame. Which is still talking about drug. I do that sometimes, Lang, but 260 is yesterday's high, and I mean I guarantee you a lot of people have that line drawn there. And look at here. How did we not break this level here? Look at all those. Look at time and sales. I'm kind of just right now. I'm like either you squeeze or I stop out and take my profit. That's what I'm looking at on drug right now. KAVL making a nice little comeback, trying to reclaim VWAP on KAVL, worth keeping an eye on. Nice 1 minute flag on KPRX. Somebody else was calling that 1 minute flag on KPRX, Zach. Drug, come on, drug. I think Mersa and I are on this one. I don't know if anybody else was trying to add down here. I added one, stopped out, added again, stopped out, and then I added this third time and I was able to follow it up. Not big size because I was looking for 260, so I didn't get full share size. But it's still a winning trade so far for now. And this thing does not want to dip. Right now it's dip, higher low, higher low, higher low. So I'm looking to see if it breaks out of here or I just get stopped out. But look at those bids. There's 80, 44, and 21. I will say, sometimes when I see so many buyers stacked up here, it makes me less confident to take a trade lower. But we'll see. Yeah, a lot of buyers instantly going to give it out there. Been averaging in on drug. Good job, Blair. Looks like a healthy downtrend. Sold for $8, waiting for 260. Could come down slowly into a VWAP and then bounce for a break. We'll keep an eye. We were trying to get a pretty nice squeeze here. We were trying to get a squeeze here and we failed. NEPT. Oh wow, NEPT. NEPT 335 is a nice level to watch on that one. Over the last 2 or 3 days, and 335 has been holding pretty strong. And then KFVL trying to hold VWAP, but nothing yet. And then after 335 on NEPT, obviously 350, but 374 is high. Avaya, nice pullback. Avaya never broke 150, so you could be looking for a pullback on that one. I'm not gonna lie, I missed that dip buy on drug, but still never gave us 260, so now this thing is gonna break out. Mercer added on that dip. Good job, Mercer. Good job. Still looking at drug and still looking at NEPT. Looks like my top two watches for today. If drug accelerates to this high of day 293, then $3 is right in front of it. So looking for that. Good ad, Mercer. Good ad, Mercer. Looking for 293 high of day and then $3 on this thing. 282 could be a nice little. Wow, I am not in on this play yet. Might as well add small share size for this break, but I want to add bigger. No, I should have added that pullback there. Broke 3, but not squeezing over it, so being careful here. I traded this very poorly. Did not add on that move back up, and then missed those dips down there again. I'm just going to get out of my trade there. I did not trade that one well. I did not trade that one well at all. Wow, I'm watching their things and it literally said long off of yesterday's highs. Exactly what I was saying. Exactly what I was looking at. Zates took drug at 270 out 296. Good job, man. I messed that play up completely. I did. I messed it up completely. I bought here, sold there, did not get that pullback there, and then was late to the party for this big old squeeze through that downtrend flag. Still here, would be looking maybe for a pullback, but that 5-minute flag is making a topping tail with it closing at 293, which is previous high of day. You're up $12 on drug. Good job, Blair. Yeah, Lang. I was looking for 260 as well. That was yesterday's high. Never got it. Avaya finally breaking through 150. NEPT still holding at 335. So I'm pretty interested on NEPT. I'm gonna go look at it right now. Look at this 335 level here, holding on NEPT with solo volume holding 335. So this might be one where I do something like this, and then just give myself 10 cents. About it at 36. I'll stop at 26. Avaya, after 150 break, it is rallying. Lang is in Avaya, okay. Avaya, 159 breaking now. Drug, kind of stalling out, I think. Drug, that 193 is tucking under it again. And this 5-minute candle just closed, which if you look at the 5-minute candle, it's a topping wick, and then body's closing under the high of day, which is not really what we'd like. KABL trying again through VWAP. KVO looking for kind of 177 to break and hold on KVO. So far, I am break even on the day. I did not trade drug like I wish I would have or played it at all. Technically, still in play, looking for $3, hold $3, but I'm up $3 on it. There goes NEPT. A little bit on NEPT. I mentioned that 335 pivot on NEPT earlier, guys. I got in at 336 on NEPT. I'm looking for 374 on this one. Look at NEPT, guys. I need volume to come in over to NEPT again and keep this momentum going all the way up to 374. That's what I'm looking for on NEPT. NEPT pulling away a little bit. Here we go. Anybody buy this NEPT 335? There it goes again. Look at NEPT, guys. 374 is our target. 374 is what I'm looking for on NEPT. Currently up $200 on display here. Called it out 335 key level on NEPT. If it holds 335 with low volume, I'm looking for 374 and it's doing just that. Still heading for 374. NEPT is on watch. I don't know where the next entry would be, but I know that I'm riding this thing up, so looking for 374 still. I sold 200 shares out of 1,000 so far. KPRX had another little bit of a flag down to 80 MA, and I think it's recovering again. Drug kind of stalling. Avaya hit 162, pulled back. NAPT still holding NEPT. Drug trying $3 again, maybe. Is it? Trying to. I think this stock, the only problem with this stock is this stock, no trades for me today, not seeing the things I want. I think drug should have already gone like the last 2 or 3 days because the daily on drug is not what I want to see. NEPT still. NEPT still, I'm still holding for 374. Holding 80% of my trade size. Here we go, another break of high of days, 364, 365. Can we squeeze all the way up to 374 again? A lot of more buy orders coming in. You got drug at 272. Oh, that thing just flushed. Still waiting for you got 270. You got the bottom of that candle. Marsa, did you snipe the bottom of that candle? Nice. Good job, Mercer. Mercer's trading in drug perfectly, man. He's nailing every dip trade. I'm still waiting for NEPT so I can go back and trade drug. I'm up still $200 on this one, but okay, there we go. Give me a nice pullback so I can put a stop under it. 349. There we go. Perfect. Alright, now I gotta stop on this one. I'm gonna put alert over it so in case it breaks out, then I know to look at it. Alright, drug. Flush, Mercer snipe 272 and back up to $3. Another downtrend on drug too. Connect those top two wicks. I will say the green candles on 5-minute have good volume. Yeah. The only problem with these is I like this pull away, right? So this is a nice pull away, and then pulls back, and then this leg should have been a little bit more. Pull back over 3, down to 3, and then pull up a little bit more. Not pull up, down, one candle, and then give it all back. GPS. What is GPS on my momentum scanner? Big buyers in on drug. I might be getting stopped out on NEPT. Oh, what the heck? How did I not get stopped out? I got stopped out way down here. That was weird. Avaya, Ape Trades. You just mentioned Avaya at 150, right? You mentioned it at like 150, right? Never got there, I saw. Drug, come on, drug. What are you gonna do? Oh my gosh. You literally said no 1-minute flags, Ape Trades. Lang did add more on 152 on Avaya. Good job, good job. How's everybody doing today so far? I am slightly green. Did not trade drug at all. Or not good at all. I'm up $3 on drug, but I did call out the 335 level on NAPT, which is the one that I took, and ended up pulling up pretty nice for me. Casualized at 0. Good job, man. The only good place on drug were these. These were the nice buys. We were in on the first one. I was in on the first one. I was up about $100. Never grabbed my profit. I was looking for that curl away after bottoming out here. Came back down, stopped me out, and then ripped, which I think Mercer took that dip, and Mercer took that dip. Holy crap. Slightly red after getting stopped out on NEPT. NEPT I got stopped out, but in profit, so that's good. That's good. That's good. Try to snipe those low entries. Give yourself some room. Once you're in the green, put a stop above break even, at break even, and then you got no stress. Are we still liking drug? Actually, are we still, what about Tesla? Are we still looking at Tesla for a trade today? Tesla actually recovering. What is SOXL? Is that some sort of ETF? Yeah, it is. Yeah, I don't want to trade that. I saw SOXL. I feel like every time I see a stock like that and they start with S's, I feel like there's some sort of ETF, inverse, or something like that. Drug. What are you doing, drug? 5-minute chart looks pretty bad. Here goes drug again, attempting another nice little move back up to 3. Can we hold 3? This right here is going to tell me if shorts are in here or buyers really are going to overtake this stock. Intuition, Mercer. Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm not liking drug. It's gotten too many consolidations to allow shorts to get in. That's why I needed this. This here. I mean, it could still do it and it could still catch shorts off guard, but I'm not liking it as much as I did earlier. Unless we break 3, squeeze over 3, get a nice little. Here we go. What even is this high over here? 304. Okay, let's see, let's see. A lot of shorts at 3. 293 was previous high, so I want to see maybe retest of 293 here. Looking at drug. 10 seconds left on this candle. It's looking a little better. See how it holds that momentum. See how it holds it up here. Also missed that entry there. I had to change my share size. Stupid me. There's the previous high of day. 293 touch. There's a retest of downtrend line there. This thing might. A lot of sellers on this thing. I have a stop right under this wick. I really don't think. I don't know. I'm holding this stock here, but I don't think this is going to squeeze. So if I stop out, I'll just stop out there. Hopefully it takes me all out. I would be looking for this candle to hold 293 again, which it just didn't there. So I'm expecting this to stop me out. Yep. I'm not liking drug anymore. I'm not liking drug anymore. So drug does this every day. You get 1 or 2 good scalps opportunities. That's what I'm saying. Look at the daily on this thing. Hold on. That's what I'm saying. Either this thing needs to make a very nice squeeze today, or I mean, it's too much that people are not gonna like this anymore. Look, I've never seen a chart like this. Look at the daily on drug, and this is that 200 moving average, right? This is what we always need to hold, close above to initiate a nice squeeze, right? And so this thing ripped that first day and then pulled back right under it, and then it stayed underneath, ripped again, pulled back right under it, ripped again, and then pulled right back under it. Today it's doing it again, kind of gapped up, so we started up higher, but I mean we're not even breaking highs again. And then if this thing doesn't go anymore today, even through these levels here, this thing is going to pull back down again, and then people aren't really not even going to look at it anymore. Austin, you're down 180. Is it on drug? Drug chopping you up? Because drug is chopping me up. NEPT, I'm still liking NEPT down here at that 335 level again. I might re-enter on this play again. NAPT kind of a flaggish, kind of a downtrend break here coming up. Shorting FTCH. Okay, I'll take a look at it. There's no way I nailed NEPT again at the same pivot, 335. Wow. I'm going to take half on this one though, but I'm going to leave the half there completely this time. There we go. Another, dip buys is what's working out in this market. Drug does not want to break out, does not want to run, does not want to do anything. So I'm taking dip buys on NEPT and it's paying me off. I see PULM. Jess was calling out PULM $6. It's up above 6. Anybody likes shorting stock? I opened an E-Trade account only for shorting, but so far it's been hard to find shorts. If you want to short, I think the best account would be Trade Zero. Trade Zero seems to be the best shorting account out there. Look at NEPT again. I think, are you saying as far as like actually being able to locate the shares, you can't find shorts? Or you're saying like you can't find the shorts as in you don't know which stock to short and you can't find a good short setup? Thinkorswim fails. It depends on which stock. A drug? Maybe, yeah. Oh, I see. Avaya new high of day. See Avaya. Avaya was okay. Can't find locates. Oh dang, Ipshits. You're up 70 and sold for 35? That one sucks. I didn't get bad fills on NEPT, but I did have a stop up here at like at 349, and it didn't stop me out until like 340, 340 something. Low 340s. I'm still holding NEPT. Drug is just going sideways. People are gonna lose attraction on this thing. This whole time it's flagging under $3, 10 cents under $3, and we cannot break it and squeeze. You can tell volume is dying. Even on the buyer side, volume is dying. Anything else? FSR on momentum scanner. Not a good looking stock. AEO. Another slow grinder. Avaya pulled back down to VWAP, but that's a little bit of a heavy volume. Looking at the 5 minutes. Candle hasn't even closed yet with the 5 minutes, and it has more volume on that pullback. Even NEPT is not wanting to go. I will say NEPT one daily chart also looks really good though. Our high was 374, but after that we got room, and 200 moving average on this thing is not until like $9. DAS is 150 a month. You know what I thought DAS used to be? I thought DAS gave you better fills, but they don't. Yeah, because DAS is direct access software, and that's what it stands for. But it's like they don't execute the fills based on their end and direct routing. It's like they execute the fills They send the orders to Thinkorswim, and then Thinkorswim executes the fills. So you actually don't get better fills with DAS. And that's one thing when I was looking at it, I was like, you know what? I think this is it. I think this is the next thing. I can have direct access routing with DAS and have better fills. But I've called them and I've asked people that use them, and they don't. It's literally the same thing. So the only thing you're paying for would be the actual platform and maybe hotkeys. And I mean, is it worth it to have all of that? The only thing that would be nice is the hotkeys. I think a lot of these plays I grab my profit too fast because I can't put a stop in place as fast, and then I get scared it's gonna flush on me, so I quickly grab my profits. And so I think if I was to buy with a hotkey and instantly click and put a stop loss in place, I'd be able to ride some of these things with 5,000 shares, 2,500 shares, maybe. So maybe in the future I'll try it, but I'm just so used to Thinkorswim charts, the way they move, the way I can drag, move, and all of that, that I don't know that I can trade with DAS, especially because I'm super visual, and I've told you guys this, and I'm so used to the way Thinkorswim's flags, I mean, not flags, Thinkorswim's candles move, Thinkorswim's candles, time and sales, like all of this thing, that's what helps me know, okay, this is a good trade, jump in, buyers are coming in, this is not a good trade, stuff like that. So I don't know, it'd have to be completely almost different. Hotkeys in a stream deck, that'd be cool, dude. I don't even trade with the mouse, just like Junior Garcia, good morning, man. How are you? Pretty slow today. Pretty slow. Drug is the only one still on watch. Over $3 though. I don't want to get caught up in a fake out, so I'm looking for Drug to hold $3 and see if this stock finally wants to open up today. Damn, PULM just flushed pretty bad. I wonder why that happened. I mean, couldn't hold 6, but the first attempt, it just boom, boom, boom. Am I missing anything today? Dish just came up on Momentum Scanner. DISH. $18 stock. Slow grinder. This is Dish Network. Doing great on Nvidia. Market is strong. How are you? I'm doing okay today. Pretty slow so far, but I'm green. Took some. How is Dish Network not bankrupt yet? That's my first thing when I looked at this. I would look at the price before, 30, 40 bucks. Used to be up to 85. $81 back in 1998, 99 when it was the main thing. KRPX, KPRX, KPRX attempting a break of downtrend. Bro, I'm getting bored. I'm straight up getting bored. You can't make money. I'm getting bored, and you can't make money. KPRX out of that downtrend, wanting to squeeze, but this is so light volume. You see how, I mean, you guys can tell the difference maybe sometimes now, how this thing wants to break out, but it just like spawns on that candle, not like actually takes each level. NEPT, bro. I'm still holding NEPT, dude. KAVL 156. Oh wow, it's holding 156 pretty strong, yeah. But that's off of what? Let me see the daily. Oh wow, that's the line that I put. Yeah, that's the one I put pre-market. I mean, it's holding, but is it gonna get momentum and recover? This is one you could just try to get 156 and then give yourself 5-10 cents and then see if you get the stock to curl back up. All volume disappear from buy. Yeah, after that, a little bit of a flush. I mean, I'm still holding NEPT. I'm still looking for drug. And that's it. That's literally it. Oh wow, I didn't even realize NEPT just spiked down right now. My stop did not get triggered by a little bit. I put it under that 335 key pivot and it dropped down to 335. So now I'm looking at NEPT again. I want to see this thing curl up to 374. That's what I'm looking for. Well, first we got to break and hold 350, which we have not. A drug pulled down? Oh, flushed. Yeah, and that's why I did not like drug. Drug might have been. I wonder what the best broker would be for better fills. For better fills, you need direct access routing, which for one, you're gonna pay commissions, and two, honestly, I use Lightspeed, which is claimed to be one of the best, and I could not tell you that it was so worth it. I used it, and some of those times I got filled pretty fast, but the fills were not the best. And then maybe also because I was using market orders, and I think Thinkorswim is pretty known for giving you a market order that's very good. I think Thinkorswim has the best market orders out there. Like it actually fills you in between the spreads, as opposed to Lightspeed. I think when I was clicking market orders, it was filling me on the ask just because it wants you to get filled fast, and then it gives you the ask. But on Thinkorswim, I think it tries to give you a better price while still trying to get you filled. But I mean, Lightspeed is fast, but I really don't think unless you're a true scalper, only high day momentum breaks like I used to trade, then I think it may not be worth it. And then other than that, you're looking at interactive brokers. Yeah, he uses Lightspeed. But I saw recently that people were asking him. He was like, "Why don't you use Thinkorswim now?" Like, he puts his orders out like way ahead of time now. Like he'll be like, okay, this is approaching $3. I'm buying 281, 291, 296, 295, 285, and so there people were asking him, and he was like, yeah, I've really thought about it. He was like, I've taken an account with Thinkorswim and I've made money on it, but but I don't know. I think he's too big where he's just so used to Lightspeed that he really doesn't care about losing commissions. It's just what he likes. COMS. Oh, COMS. Big ol' parabolic move here. Where's our first target though? Ear also looking at ear. Ear over 250. Yeah, I see it. I finally got stopped out on NEPT. $158. Even though it was up like 270 here. I wonder if it stopped me out low again. You wanted to enter at 45. Dang. Did you see this on Momentum Scanner, Zach? Thinkorswim Scanner. What about Interactive Brokers? I think Interactive Brokers is okay. I think somebody just said that their market fills are also pretty bad, but I think once everybody's like direct access routing, and I want better fills, faster fills, I think they will either go to Lightspeed, Interactive Brokers, or maybe even Cobra up there. Centerpoint Securities up there. I can't think of another one. But those are mostly people that are like, I want fast fills and I want a short. Then they're looking at Cobra or Centerpoint. I think with these dip buys that we're attempting, even COMS down here doesn't look bad. Ooh, talk about bad fills already, right? I think with these dip buys that we're trying, you don't need to get in and out fast. So I'm thinking Thinkorswim might still be good. COMS I added on this pullback here, see if it wants to bottom out. Small share size, but I am down 50 bucks on it. Just want to see if buyers step back in on this stock and get the next leg up after a nice little pullback with decreasing volume. MRSA taking ear, anticipating 250. COMS had 3 nice red candles on the way down with volume decreasing on each, so I tried getting an entry down here. It got filled high. We were just talking about fills, and it's not wanting to have buyers step in. That's 2-3 candles holding this low, so I want this thing to reverse now, but I might be taking a loss here. Yeah, no buyers in here. I'm gonna take that loss there. My scanners are trade ideas. What do you think about Street Smart Edge platform from Charles Schwab? I didn't even know about that, honest. KVL, that 156, whoever was asking me, that 156 on KVL would have worked. Look at that. When you take a trade, give yourself 10 cents. Nice. So KVL now all of a sudden it's main watch for us. Looking to see if this thing wants to get over this pivot here of 177. Look at all those flat tops here, not holding them. And then if we get over 177 to hold it, we're looking for $192. Took a loss on COMS for 90 bucks. So I'm like barely green on the day. Pretty scratch day, pretty slow, but that's okay for today. At least I'm not losing money, and so I'm protecting my gains, protecting my profits. But KVO, Mercer, I think, took that dip on ear. Ear so far is looking green. KVL made the head of nice bounce off 56, and now just can't even get over VWAP. Yeah, for real. You get like one good trade, one good 5-minute flag, and that's it. And that's all you get. Does anybody here actually use Street Smart Edge from Charles Schwab? A and F just popped up on momentum scanners too. Another slow grinder. I feel like I've seen this a lot more than I used to do. Like instead of having stocks rally and break out and stuff, I'm seeing this. You had a level on drug at 256. Oh yeah, I did. KAVL still on watch though. Oh, you didn't buy it. I thought you were in. I still think COMS might have a little bit of a retracement here, but I mean, I tried it right. I tried it right here. What the heck? I tried it right there. Maybe I could have tried it here again, but I think today I'm gonna edit some videos and post them on TikTok for you guys, so you guys can go like them up and comment them. Yes, sir. Vaya coming back. Oh, you use it. You use Street Smart Edge from Charles Schwab. I'll look at it. I'll look it up. Comparable to Thinkorswim. Let's see if you keep it. Pivot off an invisible level on Avaya. It does look like market is pretty strong though. SPY is rallying. What is Tesla doing? Oh, Tesla is dumping. Dang, I didn't realize Tesla was dumping. I thought I had Tesla up there, but that was my SPY chart that I had up there. You took KVL 150 hope 170 hoping for new high of day. KVL still looks decent. I'm not gonna. I mean, I want the 177 though. That or maybe this pullback here to VWAP would have been nice, but right now when I see these stocks here that don't have volume, I don't look for the 5 minutes. I look for a stock to start uptrending, and then I want that 5-minute pullback. Which KVL kind of is doing it here. See 1, 2, 3, 4, increasing volume. Now this 5-minute candle, I would like that pullback, even to the ADMA, to VWAP or something. But I don't like like I think the better probabilities to take those 5-minute flags is when everything is above VWAP and is strong. Like drug, right? Look at drug. VWAP is here, strong is stock is strong, and then pulls back to that 5-minute flag, and then rips. So stock is already high momentum, a lot of volume. It just has a healthy pullback, people taking profits, and then goes. KVO. Huh. Well, I'm glad I wasn't looking at it because that thing just flushed. KAVL, ouch, has a history of failing. How are you doing today, John? Sharp charts, D said on Street Smart Edge. How you doing today, John? Back in the green? Still in the green? I read your Discord chats in the mornings now, and I wake up, see what you're looking at. Zach, see what Zach was looking at. I just realized, Rafiki, are you in here? Rafiki, are you in on stream? Rafiki's commenting on my Discord, but I've seen him before in Tradecaster, so I'm sure he knows I'm live. Oh well. SS is Y pre-market. Oh. KVL might be the only play, dude. Nothing is following through. Those Ox lost on COMS too. That's my bigger loss today. I tried buying the pullback, but no pullback on this thing. This thing is a mountain. Goes up, goes down. You'll be looking at 2-4 on drug. Bro, drug is going to go back down under the 200 moving average on the daily. I do see why you see 2-4 though. I could see a lot of buyers at least trying there. I could see why you're liking it. I could see why you're eyeballing it. But what a terrible day, man. I wish we could like play video games together while we trade. And as soon as something comes up, start trading and then go back to playing some video games and then make it fun. But then we'd be missing half the plays, right? Because we're not really paying attention. Multiverses is great. I played it with my friends the other day. We were playing it for a little bit. Games and gains, baby. That should have been our thing, dude. What is that? JWN? Like another slow day grinder from 1820 to 1920, $1 a share. KVL is the only one still trying to hold VWAP. Look at the 5 minutes that created a nice little hammer candle there on KVL. Nice little hammer candle. You would still need this stock to keep up trading here. And if this stock is going to hit 1.9 pretty soon within these candles here, you got to get that nice leg up. As it's flushing through my trend line. As it's flushing through my trend line. Never mind. John was right. John was right. You bought it at flush. I was literally just looking at it. I was like, this is a nice hammer candle. Bounce off the ADMA. Held VWAP. Now is the time to hold this trend line here. Right there. And then push through that 177. And it just flushed right through it. John is short KVL at 170. Nice, John. See, it's days like this where being short, I mean, you could short anything. COMS, you could have shorted. I mean, look at this huge rally shorted there. Drug, you could tell Drug $3 was strong even after this fail right here. Another little bit of a leg down here, short here again. That's just a bear flag here. KPRX, you probably can't short KPRX less than $1, but NEPT. NEPT had several attempts to get back up over 350 and hit 374. Big short here. Then you re-enter after that bear flag there. And I wonder why all small caps are failing, because SPY is still moving. Technically, today should be a decent green day for everything, but all small caps are tanking. I might get off early again today, guys. I wasn't planning on it. I'm by myself now, but I might get off. I might take a nap or something because I am tired still. That golf wore me out. Sore in my core, sore in my shoulder. Yesterday we had some momentum power hour. I think NEPT was one, and then Nerve kind of came later in the day. So I'll keep an eye. Made 9, didn't take big size because everything looked slow as fuck. I'm getting really extremely sure, bro. 8 days. 8 days red of the last 9. Uh, 8 trades. I got an idea, bro. You should. You should. I got an idea. You should contact Thinkorswim and tell them if you can change the colors of your buy and sell buttons, and then when you want to buy, you're looking at the green one. But once you click the green one, because you're thinking buy, it's actually going to sell for you. And when you want to sell and you want to click the red button, you're going to hit the red button to sell, but it's actually going to buy for you. And if you do that, you'd be 8 days out of the 9 days green. How about that, bro? How about that, bro? You like that idea? No, for real, guys. Don't be discouraged though. I'm having the worst day, the worst month of the year as well. I think we all agree that, or a lot of people are saying that August is probably one of the slowest months in the stock market, and so far it has been. Hey, you're not stopping trading, bro. What are you thinking? It's not even that. There's just no continuation on anything. But if I look at my monthly calendar, I'm up in August $1,500 so far, and I think that's literally mostly this week because first and second week was pretty break even. There you go, Blair. Break even, guys. You guys don't understand that being break even in the stock market is a huge thing, dude. I mean, look at statistics. Look how many people don't make money. Look how many people are impatient and quit. If you're break even doing day trading, you're doing something right. You're doing something right if you're breaking even. Even if you're small red or small green, you're doing something right. If you're not tossing money out the window, obviously, and just trading nonsense and losing money, then obviously you're not. But if you're breaking even, you're doing something right. All you got to do is tweak a little things. Maybe let some runners go. Maybe take half. Maybe try to buy a little bit bigger dip. Maybe something like that, right? But if you're breaking even, you're doing something right. Juan, it says you've been trading 2 to 3 years. I was curious what you guys started and how long till you were profitable in the overall process. What got me started was Forex. A couple of my friends were showing me Forex, and they were like, "Dude, look how much this guy made in one day, bro. Look at this guy, how much he made." And so I started researching Forex, and then just through YouTube algorithm, I went from Forex to stocks, and I just liked it better. Yeah, I've been studying more than I ever have, honestly, and really focusing on my setups and risk management now. And I read every single day when I plan to have the best month. Dude, I was going into August. I was like, this is gonna be either my biggest month or my biggest red month, because I was like, I'm gonna scale up this month. And so far, it's been the smallest green month this year. TDCX, TDCX. Oh, this is terrible volume. But guys, don't. I mean, if you want to quit, if you don't like day trading, then obviously I'm not telling you you have to stay with it, right? I was gonna say if you guys want to quit and you really don't like it, then that's fine. You know, maybe it's not day trading is not for you. You know, you tried it, you gave it some try, you tried being profitable. Maybe it's just not for you. Maybe you just don't like staring at the screen. Maybe you don't like waiting for scalps, something like that, right? That's fine. No, I'm just talking to everybody. You don't have to quit, guys. You don't have to keep trading. But I will tell you that during the slow markets like this, August, slowest month of the year, right? If you're studying your trades, if you're watching yourself live trade again, if you're watching my trades live again, if you're watching other people trade strategies, all this stuff, you know, studying charts afterwards, it'll eventually pay off. It'll eventually pay off. Yeah, Hanish, you're right. You're right. Plus, I really wonder how much. I really wonder how much like the majority of people that trade the markets, like maybe like the age gap, you know, like I'll fund this damn account 100 times if I will have to. I've been taking this month slow. I tried scaling in fast, been making it a big month today. I mean this month, and I instantly knew within the first week that it was a slow month, and so I was like, you know what, I'm not scaling up this month. I played it safe. But what was I saying? Sniper trades, no trades for you today? No trades, right? Nothing. Oh, I was saying VACC perfect flag. Oh, perfect flag on a low volume play. Okay, previous high is 6.6. Hasn't broken it yet. 200 moving average at 7. 716 actually. Doesn't look bad. Oh, this thing has a pre-market's high. VACC, a little interesting, a little interesting. Six 82, and then it has another one post market 692, 682, 692, and then $7 after that. Actually, $9 on post market. What the heck? We need volume on this thing though. 6.6 is a double top on the daily right now where it's getting stuck at. 6.6 is a double top looking left on the daily chart. keeping an eye on VAC for now. Good buying volume there, and then slower selling volume there. KVL again, trying to recover. After 6.6 on this is at 682 next level. Even this to me looking choppy. Showing up on scanners now, so maybe more people will come in and watch it. So is ENVX. Oh, ENVX is a pricey stock. 6.6 daily double top is holding pretty strong. This thing has a lot of volume today, though. We're sitting at 6.2 million. Bro, it's you just sit here staring at the chart, waiting for it to do something. It is making a tiny little bit of a flag ascending triangle, but okay, let's see if we pull back and get a flag. Maybe 615, maybe 605. I'm gonna get rid of that flag. Looking to see if this thing wants to pull back down and give us a double bottom here, or even 615. Volume looks perfect on this thing on the 5 minute and the 1 minute. Every green volume candle has more. Dang, Tesla puts 25%. That's pretty good. Oh, they're cheaper. That's right. They're cheaper now, so you can trade them a little bit more comfortable. You don't have to spend 2 grand to buy a one. That'll be a good thing. But then knowing Tesla people, they're like, even after a stock split, they're like, okay, $1,000 price target, and they do this every time. That's why Tesla's so expensive. Like as soon as they stock split, they're like, okay, $1,000 again, and then they go up to 1,000. Like no matter how many stock splits they do, they aim for 1,000 afterwards. VAC has strong resistance at 6.6. Why? Double top on the daily. This is a nice spike this one day. And then back up to that level today. Double top in it. Elon gets richer by doing splits. There goes VAC a little bit. After 6.6, what are we looking for? 682. 692. 7 and then 9 somehow. I'm not even liking this price action on VAC. I'm not gonna lie, guys. This is moving so slow for having 6 million on the day. I am not liking this thing. It's tucked itself right under 6.6 again. You know, are you guys still trading anything, or are you guys falling asleep? Because I'm falling asleep. I might be calling it there. Back might set up nice, but I'm not liking the price action on it at all. And honestly, I literally almost didn't wake up. I thought about it and I was like, nah, now I got people to stream and people waiting for me, so I have to. But let me see what my day is. Oh, I'm right on the day, $17. I'm red $17. KAVL, there you go, John, calling it again. Hey, you literally just said annoying thus far, and I looked at it, and this thing is tanking. I'm like, what are you talking about, dude? Shorts are the way to go, John. Dang, I miss Agaska and Morte, man. Where are these people at? They ditched us. They're not true members of the team. They're not part of the squad. I'm kidding. So August, we got 4 days left for August. I just want to get August out the way, be done with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 red days in August. August so far, 7 red days, and I have 4 days left. It's a lot of red days in a month. 7 days. You got 12. But even, let me see. Wow, July so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. July, I had 8 red days, but I kept those all super small. The biggest one was 1,000 red day, but July I still made over 5 grand on the month with 8 red days. August I have 7 red days, but I'm only up 1,500. John, 3 red days. That's good, man. What is Zach doing? Nothing. Didn't like the price action. Here's your calendar for August. It looks pretty clean, Blair. Pretty clean. A little bit of a bigger red day there, but still your biggest day was green day. That's good. Keep that up, man. Keep that up for another month, 2 months, and you'll be set. But after that, you're not gonna scale drug. Oh my God, look at drug, guys. Look at this drug comeback. I want to see if drug holds VWAP here and makes this continuation still. Nine seconds left on this drug candle here. I just want to see if it holds VWAP and then keeps a little bit of momentum going. Trying to squeeze some shorts out. A lot of buyers trying to step in, but shorts don't let this thing go. I don't think this is going to squeeze. There's no way, dude. Hold on. 80. I was at 86.55 and now I'm at $70 profit on this thing. I think my day is literally like 50 cents in the red or something like that. Hold on, I want to see what this is. This is gonna be insane if it is. I think drug. If this thing breaks out again, I added so big down here too for that VWAP retest. I thought I had it. 280, 281 would be a good play. Sniper trades. That's right. So let me see. This is ridiculous. Look what my day looks like today, guys. Can you guys see that? It counts as a red day though. Counts as a red day. I'm down 86 cents. You're done? Dang it. Did you try buying that VWAP play? Or did you got filled high or were you late? I bought high and then I averaged down right at VWAP, but I got a bad fill and then took those out right away and then this is not what we want to see, man. 271. You got in at 271. VAC high of day. 682 is a place to break VAC. Looking for $7 break on VAC. Sniper trades got filled here. I'm just looking for a $7 touch or break, but this is going to be a small share side trade here if I take this. Right here, looking for the quick push to $7 if I get it. What? And then look at drug again. Wow, look at drug again. 680 on drug wants to break. There's 681 break on drug. I want to see drug all the way up to 3 again. And then VAC never broke that 7. Never even got close to 7. I mean, I'm trying to stick around. I'm trying to make some money, but these look at this. Flagging with high of day right here. High of day, pre-market 682. Flagging right over that 682. Consolidates one candle, consolidates two candles, and $7 right there. This should have micro pulled back in 1 minute, 2 minutes at the most, and then ripped through 7. That was the trade I was looking for. And the drug, on the other hand, 681. For some reason, 680 is the level on drug that we cannot break. SPY did pull back and is pulling back down a little bit, so Tesla is not going to be doing good. You're saying new low of day for Tesla? Oh, Tesla, really? It is kind of funny looking at Tesla there, because I'm... Oh, actually, Tesla's forming a big little pennant. Tesla's forming a big pennant on the 1 hour time frame. You guys go check that out. There's a break of 7 on VAC. Finally, this is what I was talking about. Pulls up, good volume. Pulls down, low volume. Flags over high of day. And then should have ripped through 7 and squeezed. Dang, you had your Tesla puts, you're right. There goes finally VAC. At 1,000 shares at 680s. John is logged 685 on VAC. That's a good entry, John. It's a very good entry. Now somehow I'm green on the day, but a few bucks. Not even for dinner. Not even for lunch. I was down 86 cents. And now I am up $16. Awesome. Actually, I can buy lunch with 16 bucks. I can buy some lunch with $16. I might not get my large drink and my cookies and chips on the side, but I can get some lunch with that. Especially if I have to take in taxes into consideration. Maybe not. I do see that Tesla pennant on the daily, on the 1 hour time frame though. I'm kind of curious to see if you get that third touchdown there, and buy it up to go retouch the top of that pennant. Here, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. This is the 1 hour time frame on Tesla. So low, high, low, high. I wonder if this thing goes down to here again, and then back up, back down. And with today's market conditions, I think this will do this. I don't think September is going to be a bull month. No way. I'm going to leave that. I'm going to leave that. If this thing does something very similar to that, I'm going to literally flip out. I'm $16 in the green. I might call it here, guys. I'm not seeing anything. Drug was the only one that I thought could maybe have one of those very nice strong pullaways after 280 all the way up to 3, and then if this thing really wanted to go, today would be the day that it'd go 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, $5 and go through all those highs, but it doesn't seem like it. You guys got any questions for me or anything at all? Any questions, comments, complaints, concerns, compliments? Nothing? Vac. Scratch today, at least not losing money, keeping my 43 in the green, scalping Tesla. LOL, I am done. Good job, man. $43 is okay today, man. Jofi Young back, baby. You're in on back. Good job, Jofi. Good job, Jofi. Good job, Sniper Trades. You guys, I think from 675 was his entry up through 7. Oh, 695 entry for Jofi. Okay. I think you had 695, Sniper Trades down 675, and John 685. You guys played that one nice. I was in with you guys at 685, 86, but I thought this thing had to go earlier, so I didn't want to catch a flush like all today, so I got out of that one. Alright, guys. I need to catch up on some TikToks, some videos, something. My Twitter is finally open, John, so I need to start posting stuff and retweeting stuff and grabbing attention. I will say, guys, every time I do options, I don't call out all my winners only. I did buy those Oxy calls, which I mean, I got the move, but they didn't move fast enough for me to make money. I think I bought them in somewhere in this day, like, no, I bought them this first pullback day, somewhere in the 69, 70s this day here. About calls, and I mean, it hits from 70 to 76 still, so $6 a share. But with calls, even though it moved in my favor, they were still out of the money, and they expired this Friday, and so I mean, I'm almost all red on them. Lost $150 there. Lost $150 there. So that was a losing trade on my options play. I wasn't planning on it, but I can. Oh, you scared me. Oh, you scared me. I didn't see you at all. I'm not planning on it too, but on being on this afternoon. But if I see some momentum or something rallying, then I'll get on. If I do get on, I'll let you guys know on the Discord. But I will be home today mostly all day, so I can keep trading during the day, and I'll keep checking the Discord in case you guys see anything or I see something. But other than that, I'm gonna head out, and thank you all guys for watching. Drug is back up to 280. Alright guys, I'm gonna head out. You guys have a good one. D-Drug. I see Drug again. Sniper Trades is up 18.95 for the day. See you later, hon. Alright, y'all take care, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be on the Discord, and I'll let you guys know if I get on later or not, or if I'm trading throughout the day. Hopefully things pick up. Alright guys, y'all have a good one. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.